In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Epson Projector to Wi-Fi. So first of all, you would like to check your projector has Wi-Fi capability. Most newer Epson projectors, like the EX, EB, Home Cinema series, have built-in Wi-Fi. Other models may need an optional Epson wireless LAN or LAN module/adapter plugged into the USB port. So check your projector manual or the back /side port if unsure. Of course, a projector without a built-in or added Wi-Fi hardware simply cannot connect wirelessly, and this is basically the one thing to confirm before anything else. So after that, you can just go and take as example your remote and click on the menu option. Of course, if the projector is not turned on, turn on the projector and grab the remote, press the menu button on the remote and navigate into the network page. So sometimes it will be in their like network configuration or network settings. So just go and select the wireless LAN or LAN and choose on. If it's off, click on it and change it to on. The exact wording basically may differ slightly by model, but it's always somewhere in their domain on-screen menu. And of course, you can go then to network configuration, basic or wireless LAN settings. You can choose the connection mode to set up whichever fits, like a quick or advanced, depending on model. Some models do not need that, some models require that. So you can search for available networks and select your form from the list. If it doesn't, or if it has just the cable option, you don't even need all of that. You just need to turn the LAN power on. And yeah, you can just, if it doesn't need, an example, the cable, you'll have to enter your Wi-Fi password using the remote numbers pad and on-screen keyboard. And of course, a weak or out of range Wi-Fi signal will prevent the projector from finding your network at all. So after entering the password, the projector will show a communication message or display your IP address once connected. If you are using the Epson app, the projector will show you like a digital pin or QR code on screen for pairing, and you can just basically connect your phone and laptop using that code if you want to screen mirror as example something. Of course, if your projector supports it, and this is only supported in the newer versions of the projector. And of course, if the projector won't connect after checking, as example, the Wi-Fi capabilities is confirmed, you have the correct password entered, you are in range of the router. If it still fails to connect, then make sure to restart both the projector and your router, move the projector closer to the router temporarily to rule out range issues, and make sure to reset the projector network settings, usually enter the network/reset, and try again from scratch. And I hope this will help you. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.